When you purchase a product or service, you're protected by warranties that guarantee quality and performance. But what happens when those promises are broken? Understanding breach of warranty remedies is essential for protecting your consumer rights. A breach of warranty occurs when a product or service fails to meet the promised standards or quality. These breaches can be resolved through various means, including arbitration, legal settlements, or court cases. Warranties come in two main types. Express warranties are explicitly provided by sellers through written guarantees, advertisements, or verbal promises. Implied warranties, on the other hand, exist automatically under the law, even without explicit statements from the seller. Not all warranty breaches are equal. Material breaches significantly affect the functionality and performance of a product. For example, a refrigerator that doesn't cool would constitute a material breach. Immaterial breaches, like a small scratch on a television that doesn't affect its operation, don't substantially impact the product's usability. The legal framework governing warranties in the United States is primarily the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC. This code has been adopted in 49 states, with Louisiana being the exception as it follows a civil law system. Article 2 of the UCC specifically defines the obligations and rights in the sale of goods, including warranty provisions. When a warranty is breached, consumers have several potential remedies. These may include repair or replacement of the defective product, a refund of the purchase price, rescission of the contract, or indemnification for losses incurred due to the faulty product. It's important to understand the difference between breach of warranty and breach of contract. While breach of contract involves failure to meet the terms of an agreement, breach of warranty specifically focuses on the quality or performance of a product or service. A breach of warranty may also lead to a breach of contract claim if the warranty was explicitly included in the contract. Consumers can pursue remedies through various legal avenues. These include statutory claims under laws like the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, common law claims, and consumer protection laws at both state and federal levels. If you believe a warranty has been breached, start by reviewing the warranty terms to determine if an express or implied warranty applies. Document the issue thoroughly, keeping all receipts, emails, and communications related to the purchase. Next, notify the seller or manufacturer about the problem and request an appropriate remedy. If the issue remains unresolved, consider escalating by contacting consumer protection agencies like the Better Business Bureau or the Federal Trade Commission. As a last resort, legal action through arbitration, small claims court, or a lawsuit may be necessary. Understanding your rights and the available remedies for breach of warranty empowers you as a consumer. When companies fail to honor their promises about product quality or performance, the law provides multiple pathways to seek resolution and compensation.